Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. All right, today I'm gonna make some oxtail, and I'm gonna steam some cabbage. All right. I already got my oxtail. I cleaned it. Got it. I'm a regular vinegar person. Love to use vinegar. Clean everything. All right. Got all my seasoning over here. Gotta cut up all this stuff right here. All this stuff. Got my peppers. I'm on the other side of the camera, so I can't really see what comments gonna be there to respond. I want to big up Princess AGTV, and also
Georgia Smith say good morning.
good morning, Georgia. Good morning, Georgia. How you doing?
Neron say up top, boss.
Neron, big up right there. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Georgia Smith again say good morning, Mr. AG. She says she's okay.
Got my red onions. I just cut up my green peppers. Got my red onions. Hey, well, you should try to get some potatoes. Well, I need it. Got my ginger. Got my scallion.
Wait, man.
All right, pull it up.
You said half of this?
Mm-hmm. You know, carrots is a must. Carrot, them biggie. Some people like to use the carrot peeler. I like to do it this way.
Oh, told you. Did you get my pineapple juice?
Tomatoes.
I'm gonna have to get her another Percy thing.
I was wondering, I said, why did what? You took it like that?
No, she's
You can hear all the noise in the background, right, guys?
Oh.
Yeah, I knew you was gonna forget. I knew you wasn't listening.
My time.
I said, give me some pineapple juice.
Oh, you never said that. Oh, no, you go.
Yeah,
You know what?
My regular onions.
Whatever. You got there, go live here. You want moderator?
Mm-hmm. No good. So I'm gonna. This is a big one, so I'm gonna grab half of this one.
Jamaican Life Night say blessings.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Yo, check this out. All right. See all this? This is the oxtail, and I'm also gonna make some steamed cabbage. So. All right, I got all that ready. I got my cabbage here.
Darcy Douglas says, nice AG, please, to make sure I get lunch this time. She said, make sure you get lunch this time.
No problem. You can have lunch. No problem. I use the bigger one. Cabbage, I like to cut the middle out first, so I can just make a full cut. Chop up.
Cindy said, what you making?
Who?
Cindy.
I'm
Cindy B said, what you making?
gonna make some oxtail, brown stew oxtail, and I'm gonna make some steamed cabbage. Ooh.
Chantel James said, yes, film. Yes, friend.
Chantel, big up yourself.
Georgia says she's just getting some clothes washed. I see you cooking up some food. Hope to leave some for her. Morgan, I don't want to. Queen
Shauna, big up yourself.
She said, hey. Chantel said it's food collab with Shan.
Shan, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Queen Shauna said, Wagwan.
Wagwan, Shauna. Shauna, I know you're down in Gwinnett. I want to pick up all the ATLs. Alright, I want to start my seasoning with the oxtail, so. I don't like when seasoning get all in my nails.
She said, Queen Shauna said, I'm here watching you do your thing in the kitchen.
You ready to come over for some?
I'm here in Gwinnett.
Come on up, come on up. It's only a 10-minute drive.
Ain't no 10-minute drive.
How long is it?
Only 10 minutes. All depends on how far into Gwinnett she lives.
All right, I can use this.
She says,
It's my oxtail seasoning, or I can use this. This is island spice.
What's cooking? She says.
KK, big up yourself, big up yourself.
Queen
I'm gonna use a little bit of this one.
As you finish, she said, you want a plate? And she said, thank you. Georgia said, my plate will put
I got my garlic powder. Black pepper. This is Larry's seasoning salt. Got my pimento seed. I'm gonna put a little jerk seasoning.
Thank you for the share, KK. Good KK. KK say, what are you cooking?
Oxtail, brown stew oxtail, and I'm gonna steam some cabbage. I'm gonna tell you a little secret that brings out the flavor in the oxtail. A little A1 sauce and some Worcestershire. Alright, I'm gonna put my brown in now. Let that cook down, and later on I'm gonna put some butter beans in there. Alright? Now, when you mix this up, you gotta mix it with some love. You gotta massage it. Now I got the carrots. Got the thyme. Got the onions. Scallion. Ginger. Green peppers.
Huh? No, I didn't. Been here all week. I had to bring the rug in. Say, Darcy Douglas, oxtails though?
I have a choice. I could make rice and peas. I could make gungo rice and peas. Or I could make white rice. Now, I want you to check this out.
She said, no, do some mashed potatoes.
With oxtails?
Mashed potatoes with
Okay.
oxtails.
What is that? It's not
Mashed potatoes.
Let me get some water on
I
there.
love mashed
Just a
potatoes.
little
I
bit.
eat some mashed potatoes
And I'm gonna
with
put it on.
oxtails.
Oh, they must have given it. Oh.
Now, I'm going to use a pressure cooker, so this shouldn't take long.
Oh, it's gonna take an hour.
This should take about, with the pressure cooker, should take no longer than an hour and 15 minutes. All right, now we're gonna do the cabbage. Got a big pot here.
Sophia said 30 minutes it takes to pressure oxtails, AG.
Yeah, but it depends on what temperature you have it on. I like it nice and slow. Slow. Okay? Now,
KK say do some creamy mashed potatoes. I agree with you, KK. Some mashed potatoes, yes.
now,
My daughter.
for,
She said, yes.
you hear them talking, right? KK, relax. I got you, KK.
Are you gonna do mashed potatoes too?
What the-
You don't even
Yo, y'all leave me alone with this mashed potato
No,
joke, man.
I've been over the mashed
All right,
potatoes.
listen now.
I want the
Coconut
mashed
oil I'm not gonna use. You put some coconut oil, a little coconut oil in the steamed cabbage. Check it out. A little coconut oil.
Okay, he can make some
See?
mashed potatoes for me.
Oh, my mac and cheese. Oh, man. I'm so mad. Don't touch my mac.
She said, how you gonna say go take your back?
Hey. All right.
How you
You
gonna
gonna put a little piece of butter in it.
Garcia said, we want mashed potatoes. We want mashed potatoes. We want
I'm gonna put
mashed potatoes.
Cut up a little some
We
butter,
want
piece of butter, you know.
mashed potatoes.
Yo,
We
they back there
want
talking about
mashed
mashed potatoes.
Garcia said too.
Right?
We want mashed
No.
potatoes. KK too.
I'm not
We
trying to
want
listen to you
mashed
guys.
potatoes.
Thank you. Focus, Tony.
I
Focus.
got my tomatoes.
Focus.
I got my onions.
We
I got my
want
green
mashed
peppers.
potatoes.
Tony, focus on our proper right way of doing like
Right?
oxtails, rice, and cabbage.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna steam this bad boy down. And KK, no mashed potatoes. KK.
No.
No mashed potatoes.
No.
Georgia says it's a pity she can't get some.
Well, you got some at home, don't you?
Look, Georgia said, listen to us. Make some mashed
Oh,
potatoes.
me like that.
These guys there, y'all killing me with this mashed potato junk.
We want mashed potatoes. Cindy B said it looks pretty.
All right, gonna steam this down. Right? But before I do it, A little black pepper. A little garlic powder.
Carrie and Kim Lifestyle say, "Pick up yourself, big chef." Yeah.
Big up yourself too. Big up yourself. Garlic powder is a must in almost everything. Either garlic or garlic powder.
Garcia says, "Sir, you have to please your guest, or we won't come back."
Watch this. Try a little jerk sauce, jerk powder in your steamed cabbage. Just give it some flavor. You know, say anything you put jerk in, get nice flavor. See? Alright. We're gonna steam this down now.
Garcia said, "Don't you know the customers are always right? We're the customers. We want mashed potatoes.
You say you're the customer?
We the
Yo,
customers.
this is not a restaurant, brethren.
We want mashed potatoes."
Alright, now turn on the fire now. Boom, boom, boom. And cover him up, make him steam down a little bit. Some people, you know, cabbage create water already, but me I got just
Hey, you guys, you hear he ignoring us about these mashed potatoes.
a little bit. I'll cover up him backside.
He's not paying us any attention. We want mashed potatoes.
Hey, cut that out, man.
We
Wrong mashed
want some
potato.
taters.
Wrong size.
We want taters. We want mashed potatoes.
Boom. Alright, cabbage is on. Alright, let me move these things out the way so I can start my oxtail. Put them on the fire. Put these things in the cupboard. This I'm gonna use. Put this away.
We want taters.
Hey, serious that.
Hey, your live chat is putting in the chat, "We want mashed potatoes." That's what they say on the chat right here.
Mashed potato I make from scratch. I don't have time to make mashed potatoes from scratch. I don't like that powdered stuff. I don't eat that stuff. I don't mess with nothing powdered.
D and D family says, "What's going on, fam?"
Yo, bless up D&D. Bless up yourself.
He said, "You need to link up." D and D family said, "You need to link up."
This is my pressure cooker.
It's D and D. Bless up. Yeah, that was a mistake. Bless up D and D.
D&D, big up yourself. Come on, box. Yep, there's nothing. Alright.
Garcia says, "Don't you have potatoes at home?"
Yes, I have potatoes. I even grow potatoes. Okay, most of the stuff I use, I grow. Alright, 5.
D and D family says he's dropping a prank soon, guys. KK says, "No, AG, mashed potatoes. Not the powdered stuff."
Yes, I do mashed potato from scratch. I didn't plan to do no mashed potatoes.
Life with
So-
Latty and Ren say,
So I didn't. You guys want mashed potatoes? I have to do it from. I have to do everything. I don't do nothing with powdered or box or this and that. If more I do it, more I do it. The right and proper way.
My Garcia said, "Honey, get to making those mashed potatoes."
Yo, the reason why you're saying that because you want to know my secret. Man. Alright, come on, baby. Steam down.
Georgia said you need to drop one prank on somebody at home.
Who, me?
He not gonna do it.
Me?
That's what she said. You need to drop a break.
Hey, Georgia, they don't like when I prank them. They cry.
No, that's not true. Georgia.
They cry, Georgia, when I prank them.
No, that's not true. Because when he get pranked, he's not gonna like it, and then he'll say, "Oh, don't post that." So no.
Hold on, fellas. Let me just watch these things out that I use.
D&D family said, "What's cooking?" You got that?
D&D family. Brown stew oxtail. And I'm gonna steam some cabbage. Then I'm gonna make some rice.
And some mashed potatoes.
I ain't making no goddamn mashed potatoes. Make mashed potatoes. Make sure you guys can see me.
They can see you. I know, KK. That's all you have to do is just peel them and then cut them up and put them in the pot. You don't want to do it.
Yeah, but KK, after I do all of that, you know, after it's cooked and I'm ready to mash it, I put certain secret in it. That's the thing. I can't let you guys know my secret.
Yes, everybody, hit the like button, share. If you guys want to promote your channel, those that are
Hey.
you can.
Guys, I want you to go and check out KK Official.
You know,
Who else
pick
is
up
on
your
there?
channel.
Who else is on there?
I think everybody's following everybody though.
Everybody's following everybody?
I think so. But if you guys want
If you're moderated, just drop your link, guys. Drop your link. I want you guys to cook with each other. Now we all one big family here. One big family.
You know what? That's it. I get tired of rice too. I want mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato and oxtail, no green.
Yes, it does.
Y'all talk about bathroom issues right there.
That's you have bathroom issues. I don't have bathroom issues. Yeah, we are all family in the room. Life with Lillian Ren said, rice is life.
Thank you, guys.
KK say, try the mashed potatoes. It tastes great together. See,
I'm not
KK?
watching you, KK.
See, KK, he's ignoring.
Now I'm gonna turn this fire down on real low. Just let it steam slow. You notice people, I like to talk about slow, right? I like to do things slow.
We want mashed potatoes.
There you go. Woo! Time for a beer. I'm working hard. KK, you're gonna leave me alone with that mashed potato junk. Mashed potatoes in another episode. What do you think? I want to welcome everybody. I want you to share, and I also want you guys check out who's on this live. If you don't have them, I want you to subscribe to them. I want you to subscribe to each other. We're all one big family here. One big gigantic family. Salute. We're all one big family, people. I want you to go over, show them some love. And if they show you love, I want you to show them love back. If you're on here and you're not blue, I'm going to make you guys blue. Just give me a minute. Try to come on when other YouTubers are not on. I'm trying to give everybody their respect and their space. Ooh. Hey, you guys want to know something? And this is I'm gonna give you a secret. One of my little secrets. You know I don't like cooked cabbage. I eat coleslaw, raw cabbage. But you see, if you eat cooked cabbage, that's not me. I love to cook it. But if you eat it, that's not me. Food collaboration, I know she probably sleeping. I want you guys to come with me for a minute, okay? I want you to come with me for a minute. I'm going to the basement. I got me a new mango tree today. So, like, for sure, I have to look at things that, you know. I just get this mango tree right here, so. And we just put the pimento tree in a pot, a big pot. My aloe tree, I'm gonna need a big pot because There's a whole heap of sucker. So I need a bigger pot for that, which me have already. The sour sop, I'm gonna get a bigger pot for it. The pine tree, it a come still enough. It a come. These mango I eat them and I plant the seed. Just like the avocado, yes sir. AKA fluid pear, Jamaican pear, avocado. The seed, me eat the pear and plant the seed. That come along nice. With cherry tree this. Jamaican cherry tree. Banana tree, need to go outside. But me don't want it dry up. Pepper tree, you know, them a blossom. What if I blossom up on the pepper tree? I just wanted to show you guys that. You know, so I love my culture, you know, so it's on my basement. So, you know. See, look at dog there. So we'll go back up to the kitchen. Wash my hand and change gloves. So, back to the little kitchen thing. So cabbage are done enough. You can't see your comments, but I'll get to them in a minute. Alright. Whenever I cook, I like to wear gloves. So I have a whole mess of gloves. I love to wear gloves when I cook. And if you plan to cook in my kitchen, you have to wear gloves. I'm just used to it, so. Alright, this is done enough. It's done steamed down. It's done steamed down. See? So let that just simmer down. Cover it up. The fire don't turn off. Now it's the steel of the hog, which is really a cow tail. You can call it oxtail. Oxtail is a type of a cow steel. So Jamaica don't raise the ox cow them, you know. But we don't know why they call it oxtail. Ox is a type of a cow. A type of breed of a cow family. And them expensive. I don't know why them Jamaican call it oxtail. Oxtail is very, 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 very expensive. You hardly see oxtail. Alright, let me see what you guys are saying. Danica Douglas. I'm not gonna call out your YouTube name. I just also say Danica Douglas. Big up yourself. You know, say you're a diva from long time. Go back up. Diamond Trophy, big up yourself, brethren. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Chupsy! Why y'all look on Chupsy? Candy B, big up yourself. You know, as always, Georgia Smith, big up yourself, big up yourself. D&D family, respect all the time, man. Respect, respect. Chupsy, me a cook, me have some oxtail. Me have some brown soup oxtail. I'm just done steam some cabbage. And everybody on the live want me to do some mashed potato. But me do mashed potato from scratch. I me never, you know, the mashed potato thing. Oh, sorry, me not pronounce your name right. Let me say it again then. Sassy Diva, big up yourself. Oh, you mean you want mashed potato? Jesus Christ, you want me to struggle by potato? Come on, Sassy, man. Isha! Is there any potato in my fridge? Sure, Sassy Diva, I don't like you, no. Sure. Oi, stop saying it now, no, man. Stop saying it, man. Please, me, I beg you. Now, if you go send somebody up around, what the fuck, then can walk in and can go to the store go get some mashed potato. Oh, yeah, me about mashed potato. Some potatoes so I can boil it. Sassy, you don't have to say it no more, no. Because I make my mashed potato from scratch. I don't deal with box stuff. How come I not see Anna? Where Anna there? Call Anna and tell her to come check me out, man. Anna, my brethren, you know. Anna are good people. KK, look like she gone. I will on about no mashed potato, mashed potato. Naran TV, big up yourself, my boss. Big up yourself if you're still here. Big up yourself all the time. You have to respect you, you know, you're good people. I thought this session drop asleep. Sure, you see Noran TV, yo, people go over, go subscribe to Noran. Yo, trust me, man, yo, when me say a good people. Trust me, man, yo, I'm a godless person. The man drop a prayer for me the other day, brethren. Me I tell us my day got nice and easy. You know, I'm up on the road, I drive the truck and thing, and I tell us I had no problem. Respect for the prayers, them my youth. Trust me, man, you're a God bless person. Sassy, leave me alone, man. Sassy, not easy, you know. You have a bridging, you know, Sassy. Jano, Sassy, you're cool, man. You have a bridging, man. I don't want to show my face, you know. Come here, pull up. Chopsy! Yo, Chopsy. Big up yourself all the time. Hold on there, hold on there, hold on there. Okay, this easy. No, use a moderator already. Oh no, should see become a moderator. Yeah, man. Okay. I just learned this mod thing, the moderator thing, you know what I say, so. Diamond trophy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I do my thing. Hold on there. There's one more person, man. Try to look for your name for other as a moderator. Diamond trophy, you get it already. See her here. Oh, she's a mod already. Okay. Yeah, man, I want to know for dropping a link still. See me? Dropping a link. Enough for, yo, trust me, man. Yo, dance with each other, people. Dance with each other. I know, say, everybody here already have everybody still in about, you know? And don't forget the giveaway. December 24th. I'm going to tell you a time. I'm going live. I'm going to say 8 p.m. 8 p.m. December 24th. 8 p.m. And guess what now? February, my birthday, see? I'm going to drop the same thing February 20th. On my birthday. I'm gonna give away a drone and the same thing with the hat. Are you send people over? The same thing. But this Christmas, now make it like a spicy still, in, no worry. No worry. You say the 24th, I'm gonna have a little surprise. For everybody who well, not say everybody who subscribe to me, everybody who tell people come over to me, I have a little extra surprise. Just for sure, you guys say me respect you know, and me respect everything you wanna do for me. It's an extra just a little extra surprise. So, I'm gonna keep sending people over for the giveaway. Keep sending them. I have a little extra surprise for you now. I mean, now I'm telling you till December 24th. All the people, if you send them over and make me know, say, I want to send them. I have a little extra surprise for that person. Well, not even for that person. I just have an extra surprise. I add a little spice to it still. And that night, I show you some how much I respect you know. You know, I said I'm not going to tell you still. But on that night, I'm going to announce it. You can't go watch the drone giveaway. But if you send the people them over, you already know what you're not gonna get. But just for showing us some respect what I do, I have a little extra, and December I'm making you know there's a little extra something. You can read between the lines. Read between the lines. There's a little extra. Nah, say no more. This is my little bar setting. I'm a little, you know, I'll set up a little bar over here, so. I give them a tour now. Them here, I bring them outside. I have them outside, and truth I get a little chilly. I bring them inside and make them go and do them thing. When the temperature get a little warm, I bring them back out. I'm a little fireplace, there's TV up there, so just a show, give her a little tour. Yeah, run with me. Now you go out the door. Ooh. Alright, see the veranda? You see people that get cold out here? Leave a drop. You just bring my blower at the shop to get tuned up, so I can blow and clean up all them leaves that I don't like. See them? Actually, tree all a loose leaf. It's at my veranda, if you don't want to see it still. Just to give you a little tour. No, big up yourself, drop your link. Georgia Smith, drop your link. Sassy, what happened? I know it's in a drop link, you know. Over here, so I plant my garden. But you see, say it get cold, so watch out. Sure, say it get cold. If pepper tree them dry up. Garage. I'm back in my kitchen again. Back in my kitchen. And I still I wait for now, you know, say I'm back here and I have like a screening porch where you can come chill out so mosquito and bite up your backside. You see my grill? I'm a baby that, you know. You see that? When me ready for throw down on that, you know. Sassy, when me ready, you know, you can come over. Georgia, come over when you're ready. And when that grill light up, you know, trouble. See the back there. Up there, so at the main road. Trouble, you know, when me light that grill, you know. Hey, I'm gonna show you something. Let me turn on the light. I'm gonna show you how we grow cane over here, sugar cane. Now if you put the sugar cane in the water, see? You have to make it stay and let the root catch. When the root catch, then me put it in the ground. This is our sugar cane. Matter of fact, today. You see, I have root already. Today, I go put it in the ground and put it in the basement. You see the root them? Fresh root. It's a fresh root. So today, I go put it in the basement. I go put it in one aluminum pan, them call it. I don't know aluminum pan. I put dirt Then I'm going to put the sugar cane on top of the dirt and then cover it with some more dirt. And then that's how we'll do it. And then it will grow. Now I'm going to show you the process, the whole process of growing sugar cane over years. So. Like I say, I'm a Jamaican and I forget. Try do what I have to do. To maintain my island heritage. Egerino. Sassy, move and go. I love my farming, you know. Trust me, I can't go hungry, you know, Sassy. You see, if I'm broke, I don't have no food, I can't go to my neighbor go ask them for nothing, you know, Sassy. I know Jamaica with them, you know. But why I say you have to know if you plant your things and know if you, you know, reap your things and, oi. I show you know, watch out. I'm going to show you something.
Don't call me earlier.
That was like 2 years ago.
I'm sorry.
Everybody, tell you man, everybody want mashed potato, man.
Oh, are you still on camera?
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Let's say hi.
I did.
Let them see your face, man.
Hi.
Come here.
I don't have time for all that.
Move and go. Well, now come. I am a coming as bounty killer, that's it. Sassy, let me show you something. I said I can't go hungry. It's a callaloo from my garden. All I have to do is cut them, wash them, and freeze them. Put pepper. Sassy, I can't go hungry, no, Sassy. 1 bag of pepper, 2 bag of pepper. Gungo piece, Sassy. I can't go hungry. But, wow, watch out. All the foot of many chickens. Watch out. I may have more of that. The foot of many chickens, Sassy. Watch out. I try to live up to my heritage, you know. Ice cream, Sassy. Mackerel. How you deal with, Sassy? And all of them I will see right here, sir, are from my garden. I have watch out, next fridge. I go chocho. See? Ginger from my garden, Sassy. We should have put them there in a ziploc, you know. Sassy, you don't have to be a farmer, you know. You just have to don't know if you survive. What the fuck? Saltfish me have in my freezer. Saltfish can't go bad, even though it have salt. Can't go bad. Me have freezer and me have fridge. And the fridge also have freezer on the bottom. Can't go hungry, Sassy, man. And you don't have to be a farmer, you just have to be a survivor. This done, you know. Done, you know. Watch out now. Now call somebody for taste, because you know I don't eat cabbage like that. Hey, Isha! Hey, come taste this cabbage. Come taste the cabbage. We're gonna use a small plate.
Uh-huh. Try to stay out your eye, you know what I mean?
I want you guys to see her reaction.
Ain't nobody seeing my reaction. I'm just tasting me some cabbage. Jeez. Thank you. No, stop, Tony. I don't like being on camera.
Come on, you don't like being on camera?
I don't know how you all of a sudden.
Alright, come over here then. You don't have to be on camera, just let them know. Come on, man. Tell me how it is. Come over here. Let them hear you at least.
I'm already looking at the look. Where's good? Let's talk.
Oh my God.
What's good?
You love it. That's what I'm talking about. So you see, like I said, I don't mess with sweet either. What up? Yo! Alright. I don't know if everybody gone. It says yeah, 4 people here. But we just a stream still, you understand? Respect those sassy, respect.
No, that's good.
It's good?
Yeah, but it's so spicy.
That's I got more I can steam. If it's too spicy for her, you know, I could steam a little bit more.
And then that one right there, don't cut them so fine. Like,
Bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
With, yeah, carrots and all bigger. Thank
No
you.
problem.
Thank you.
You love it though. Yeah.
If you want that, I love it. I like it though.
There you go.
But now let's do the way I really like it. Where I kiss, but I can say I love it. It's gone. Check it out, see? What the TV do to you? Little certain words.
What? Let me turn this thing off. What the hell? Turn this fan up. Excuse me. Who there? Who there? Becky, welcome, welcome, Becky, welcome. All right, give me a minute there. I'm gonna check out my oxtail. You know, you gotta turn. You gotta turn. I don't want nothing blown up in my face, so I gotta let all this air out. I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright. See, the oxtail is coming, but regardless, the bottom, I want to turn that. I want to flip it. I like to turn my food. Make sure everything cook evenly. Here you go. It don't matter if it's a pressure cooker or not. Make sure your food is cooked evenly. Always turn your food. Turn your food. Because the bottom might cook and the top hard. That means the top not cook properly as good as the bottom. So I like to stop it, turn everything, make sure the flavor from the bottom reach the top. Let me see what I got on there. So now, respect. Welcome. Georgia Smith, say you're a superstar, Georgia. Respect, man. Like to turn my food, man. I don't care if it's pressure cooker or not. Cut off the pressure cooker. Make sure whatever is on top reach the bottom. Remember I said the juice at the bottom, Whatever is on top, I forget soaking of that juice at the bottom. Also, so I like to turn my food. Pressure cooker or not. Everybody just put on pressure cooker and make it just cook out, so. No, I know something do it. I will stop the pressure cooker and turn the food. Whatever's on top has to get that same juice as the one that's on the bottom. So just turn it and just, flip it, god damn it, I said flip it. Yo, when me said Jamaican mix master, you're the boss in a brethren. Blessing all the time to you, man. Respect you. The cabbage done, Everybody a ball for
You make the cabbage spicy. That's what you should say.
Yeah. I'll make some for you.
You make some mashed potatoes for me.
You gotta go get it though.
The mashed potatoes?
Go get the potatoes. I bought
You
it.
ain't got no potatoes?
What?
You don't have no regular potatoes?
I'm doing it, man. No, there's no potatoes. Run right there and go get some. Seriously.
Hold on. I have some business.
Alright, people. She gonna go out and get some potatoes. I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. Lord have mercy. Y'all pull me. Y'all pull my leg. Y'all pull my arm. You almost pull my head off.
No.
I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes.
Only because
But
I don't eat
listen
spicy.
to this. You see all your little mushy mashed potatoes? I like to make my mashed potatoes chunky.
I don't want chunky mashed potatoes. I want mine mashed, whipped. Don't want mine chunky. I want mine
Listen,
whipped.
y'all listening, right?
I
Yeah.
want mine whipped.
Mix master, man, tell him, man, you're the boss, my youth, you're the boss. Yo, trust me, Georgia Smith, yo, big up yourself all the time. Real recognize real. Sassy Diva, real recognize real. Mix master, real recognize real. Jugs, real recognize real. Anna, KK, all you guys, real recognize real. Sean, he'll probably knock out right now, but real recognize real. You understand? Big up on yourself. You guys are real true supporters. We have other true supporters still not, but we not see them yet. You understand? Real recognize real. Especially not on TV. Real recognize real, my youth. You're a good person. Georgia, blessing all the time. But now I left you out in a mix master. Now I left you out. Boy, me hear the pot bubbling. You know? That's it. Lord have mercy, that bubble. Oh, it's so wicked. I wish me the day in there with it. With the oxtail them to see what I go on. I wish me could have in there. Yo, if you hear the inside of it a bubble. Yeah. That's it. Mix up. Cook. Sweet. That's all me I hear.
Oh, she must have.
What? What? Are you still doing YouTube?
Yes, you want it. Come on. Listen to this.
I'm drooling.
She just did some scratch off the lotto
Are we rich?
and watch
We
this.
rich? No, we ain't rich.
Oh,
We're
damn.
not rich.
How much you got?
We're not rich.
How much you got?
No, that's my business.
You serious?
Who is them? I tell y'all.
Yeah, how much?
That's what I thought I was coming in here to talk to.
How much?
Don't worry about it. No. When you get off the camera, I'll let you know. I don't care what they get off. You can do that.
Oh, for real? For real? Yo, tell me how much you win. What she got? 500? I got her hooked to scratch offs. Hold on, I'm listening. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you guys. Hold on. She's talking loud. Now listen. Okay, say how much now, man? Come say how much you win now, man. When I hear how much, I'll let you guys know. Hold on. I'm still listening. I'm gonna let you know how much you win. Hold on. Yeah, she wins some big money. She wins some big money. You got $1,500 US on a scratch-off ticket. She happy as hell. That's a Christmas present for her. That is a Christmas present. 1,500. Georgia, I know you like spicy stuff. I'm gonna make a separate batch for her. I'm gonna do it now. We are family. I'm gonna make a special, a separate batch for her. I don't like when people complain about spiciness. We're Jamaicans. We like our things spicy. She lucky I didn't put Scotch bonnet in it. We are family. Yo.
You know how tickets say certain things like this ticket or these certain type of tickets can win up to a certain amount of money?
Yeah.
So this one says what? What does it say?
Well, that's really 500 though.
No, it says hit for 500. Went up to 500 over 12. But look, hit.
Yeah.
Hit,
Yeah.
And that's what I got.
Yeah.
I got the ticket that said what you get.
So guess what?
I got, well, that's what we hit for that pack, huh?
For that pack. I ain't buying no more of that one. Because guess what? The winner already, you already got the winner out of that
I
one.
got the winner of the pack, huh? Yeah. Because they'll teach you to death. Free ticket, they'll teach you to death. $2, $10. Damn, Tony.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you something. You see, I did the carrot, right? I didn't have to do the carrot. I'm gonna show you something. We are family. I didn't have to do the carrot. I have shredded carrot already. Shredded carrot. And I went through all that stuff doing carrots. I'm already off carrot. So now I'll make a separate batch for her. Because she said she don't like nothing spicy. And the only spicy thing I used was the jerk sauce. She's still up there celebrating her winnings. From the scratch out ticket. You guys still here? Another box. Like this. That's the coconut oil. This is done. Hi. Yum. This is one thing I make sure I keep coconut oil in this house. Coconut oil. And make sure coconut oil is here at all times. Get me some butter. If you're from the island, you don't have coconut oil in your house. And plus, coconut oil is much healthier for you. It's much healthier for you. If you read up on it, and all the cooking oil them have, you would see what coconut oil can do, and the calories and all that good stuff in coconut oil. Put a little butter, because I'm steaming some more cabbage. They say it's spicy. The first one, them not like that stuff. Let me turn on the fire. Them not like that. Them not like the spicy stuff too. I never put no pepper in it, you know. I did not put no pepper in it. I put the jerk sauce and the black pepper. But the jerk sauce for me, this is some garlic. The jerk sauce that I have, the jerk sauce season is very spicy. Some seasoned salt. You don't put too much in this still, because I don't like the complaint thing. We're from Jamaica. We like our stuff spicy. As this go along, I'm just gonna adjust. As we go along, I'm gonna adjust. So I'm gonna steam some for them, even though I got some brethren who like the spicy stuff. They would love and enjoy the other steamed cabbage, the first one. And cabbage not hard to steam, no people. This is the second batch. No spice. Jugs, my brethren. Jugs. Big up yourself. I do some oxtail. I do some steamed cabbage, but them say it's spicy. So I do some with no spice for them. You know what I say? So let's give you a little update, Jugs. So go on. So when me cook to please everybody, Jugs. Pot cover me, look. Yeah, man. Alright, me have that covered. It's a steam down now. No, too small. We're good, man, we're good. So what on, Jugs? Everything good? Because there I do have a look tiny little something, you know? Little something. Yeah, man, me alright over there, so. Yo, Jugs, let me show you something. Mix master, Jugs. We are show them say, man, I no buffon. we can do a thing. We can survive. You understand? And if you look upon it, you know, we learn from our grandparents how to cook. But it turned out to be, and ladies, don't get upset with me, you know. I gotta say something. Man can cook better than a woman. So don't get upset. We can cook better than Uno. So any ladies want to get upset about that, you can get upset, but reality and the truth, sometimes it hurts still. We are chef. We can cook. We learn from our grandparents and we master it. You understand? That's why all I woman them when they have them man them say, boy, I like how you cook and ray. No, we respect how you cook still, you know. We're not gonna disrespect you know. We love how you cook. But we just cook better. You know, me just want to know if you recognize that. And I'm not being no male chauvinist, this and male, this and that. With me, I just tell the truth, the God honest truth. We can do a thing. So, you can ray. You can go and you might miss me cooking and this and that. Guess what? We can cook same way. We can do a thing same way. So nothing say nowadays them I say I cooking a hold the man and ray. Cooking can't hold man nowadays. Only fufu man cooking can't hold. I might get upset if me, you know, what me I say, but it's the truth. We respect how you cook and everything. We respect it to the max. We respect it. Sometimes we're tired and we come and want some food and we love your food and ray. But you say, well, where you go in our kitchen? You have to move aside, man. You have to move aside and make we do what we have to do. And guess what? When we're done and want to taste with food, we don't lick on our finger. If any drop on the ground, we might lick up all everything off the ground. We might lick on our toe. We might lick everything. Oh, we don't feel lick. We lick things we don't feel lick. That's how sweet man cook. How is Sassy Diva gone? She gone? Jaja, tell me the truth. I was talking. No, decline that, man. Sassy. Jaja, tell me the truth. Man can cook better than woman, not true. Sorry, someone not call me. Yo, me I'll call her back later. If you're there where you listen, me know you listen. Me call her back. Hey, Jugs, I bet you them now will tell you the truth. I bet you them now will say something pan the live. Them now will tell me, say, yes, I true your talk. None of them now go say a true your talk. Man cook better than woman. I mean, this type of man, you know, I cook for woman any day of the week, you know. That's what I stay, you know. I love to cook. Because this one I cook and when I eat it, and the reaction from them face, they like that. Them now will tell us it's nice and rare and you can cook better than them, you know. Them now will tell you. But the truth is the truth. Anytime you see people have big party and things at Jamaica, tell me the honest goddamn truth now. They might have a big party or they might have any get together or anything happen. I who always a cookie food, no man. Especially a dance, funeral, wedding, anything go on at Jamaica. Anything go on at Jamaica. Big get together or event. Who always a cook the food. Man. And them know say a true.
Understand?
And can't say nothing. Georgia, answer me now. Is it true or not? Can man cook better than woman?
No.
My virgin jugs the panic right now. Tell him, can man cook better than woman? That's the question of the day. Turn this down. Cabbage not take long to steam, you know. Ooh, watch out. This is the second batch. This is the second batch. They're almost done, you know.
I like mine like that.
I'm gonna turn it off and I'll make it steam just cook down itself. The cover back on it. Turn it down.
Turn it off. 'Cause I like mine like that.
Because you're in the house, you don't want all the steam to hit the ceiling and all that. You just cover this up and just slowly let it Are you gonna get the potatoes?
Yep.
She gonna get some potatoes and I'll make some mashed potato. My style.
It'll be a minute though.
I want some scallion. Because green onion.
Okay. Don't
That's
give
it.
me a little bit.
That's it.
It's gonna be a minute. I'm gonna make one stop.
Alright, do what you have to do. Well, let the steam come out. Check for my oxtail. And remember, I said butter bean have to go in there, you know. Yo, can't call me now. Yo, how this a call me, man? Bring me a look fat. Alright, now get the can opener. Letting out all the steam. I'm gonna open this up. Oxtail almost done, you know. I want to make sure the butter bean going right. You know, so the butter bean and the can them is what them call pre-cook. So I don't want to go in there and mash it out. Whoa! come here. It's almost done, you know. Man, the butter bean in there now. See? Watch out. They fall off of the bone already. Watch it. Fall off of the bone. Just watch what I go on, man. I don't like the juice that came in there. So I'm never gonna wash it though. I'll wash it one more time. I just want the butter bean flavor. I don't want that juice that came in the can. I'm not making canned juice and butter bean. I'm just making butter bean. Just want the butter bean. I don't want the juice or the juice that's on it. That's why I washed it a couple of times. Boy. See? Stir this back side up for now. Okay. Carrot. Well cooked. This will just simmer down now. Now bring her along with me now. That now I'm gonna take not even 5 minutes. So I make it go and do it thing. You understand? But I don't want it mash out. So when it done cook, you can just grab a piece of bone and just the meat just come off in your mouth. And then you suck the juice out of the bone. Hey, even if you get some people always talk about oxtail tough and rare. Oxtail not tough enough how you cook it. How you cook oxtail. You never ever make people cook and say, boy, the meat are tough enough. Meat not tough. How you cook it. Let me see what I'm going to say. Hold on, people. I come. I have to put on my spectacles. Thank you, Jugs. Thank you. Georgia, I wish you was here to taste it. This done, you know. This is the second batch me make. This not spicy. This not no type of spice. Not even black pepper in it, because they don't like nothing spicy. So how much you want? Did you collect? Oh shit. So yo, what's up? Grease me. Huh? Come on, grease Where's my palm? I'm talking about with money. You ain't gonna show me love? Oh, for real? Look how fat your pocket is. I soon show now I go on. And you know, sir, I'm not take the camera off of the kitchen, right? Off of the pot. No, take the camera off of the pot. Almost 2 hours me there now. What you? Why do you stop whistling? Whistle, man. Yeah, bubble. Let me see if you. Let me. Hold on. Can you hear it? Listen. Ah, it's a bubble. Right across, and I look on look a bar, look a thing still, you know. I just did the floor so the chair to end up on top of the bar. Yeah man, do what you have to do, man. Georgia, how you liking it so far? How you like what's going on so far, Georgia? Miss Smith. You know what? Oxtail almost done. Who that? That's me, see? Oh, me up on fire. They say, why go on a fire? Yeah, I don't want this to cook too much. I don't want the oxtail for cook out. I want it on the bone same way. So alright, make it stay in there now and simmer down. Because I don't want it to mash out. Or you know, I want you to pick up a piece of bone with the meat. And when you go, then you can just, I just want it to fall right off the bone when you're ready to eat it. She went to get some potato. I'm gonna make some mashed potato my way. They put all the junk and ray in for them mashed potato. I make a simple mashed potato. Simple. And I'm gonna show you. When I do my saute, what I'm gonna put in it, I'm gonna saute it. And when I'm ready to mix it, I put all that saute stuff in it. I don't like certain things that I make. I don't really eat unless me make it myself. Maybe they don't like how I make it, but it's the way I make it. Georgia, on your YouTube channel, you only have one video. I can't give you a hint. I can't give you a hint. I can't give you a hint. I can't do it. Out of respect to everybody else. Me know say I two on up on the line. Out of respect to everybody else, it wouldn't be fair for everybody else. You understand? But when you say win what? Let me touch this. Oh God, let me plug in my phone. Oh, let me charge it. Out of respect. Oh, hell no! Never that! Alright, let me plug this bad boy up. Damn! The charger's going down. Okay. Now, let me address you now, Georgia. When you say win, oh, okay. I can't do that. I can't come out and say Ray, because I'm going to tell you something and you're not going to like it. And I'm going to pick the winner. You know who's going to pick the winner? All of the name is going to enter into the wheel. All of them. So I want to be fair with everybody. I might do the wheel. I was going to do a grab bag and pick a winner. But the problem is, I don't want nobody thinks that I cheat. So I was thinking about the wheel. You understand? I was thinking about the wheel. But there's still other ideas coming along. And this is for my loyal supporters. Now I'll tell you, I'll be honest with you. And the same contest will go on from December to February. Because I'm going to do the same contest for my birthday, February 20. I'm going to do a drawing, the same drawing, February 20. But this Christmas, and there's only 200 there. This Christmas, not for the drone, But for who send people over, I'm gonna have a little surprise. Yes, the person who sent the most person over is gonna win the $100, but I'm gonna have a next surprise.
You next more for my mom?
Right here.
Bigger? But no
Come taste it.
Big. Okay.
Come taste it.
Much better.
I want you my taster. Cause y'all said about spice and da 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 da.
No, yeah.
No man, I'm just trying to do it out of respect.
You said, who said spice and browns? 2 browns?
No, you said it was spicy and this
No, it
and
was
that.
spicy. No, taste it.
But I didn't put nothing spicy in it.
No, that's peppers and stuff.
Try that one.
But I'm saying, oh, you don't eat it. See,
Try that one.
See, that's why.
Try that one. That's why I'm a chef. I can please my customers.
That one, was that supposed to be for me and my mom? That one, you know how she is.
This one's for your mom.
Perfect. That should have been for me too. That's where.
Well,
And then,
that's you too.
Yeah, that's me. I mean, that's mix it all together.
How's that one?
No, this is.
That's perfect.
This is it.
That's what I'm talking
This
about.
is it.
I tell you, I can cook for anybody at any time, any place,
That's
anywhere.
what I'm talking about.
I can cook.
Mm-hmm.
My mama ain't raised no dummy. I used to sit there and watch her.
Like what? I mean, this right here. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
This is that color, texture. You know, that's what we based on.
And I didn't make it cook. I steamed it. How's that?
Good.
You like that?
No, it's good.
There you go. That's what I'm
I'm gonna eat
talking
that one
about.
too, though, 'cause I like cabbage.
Yeah, because the spice, that
This
one
is
is
the level.
usually. But you know what's so funny about it? I didn't put no pepper in there. The only thing I sprinkled in there was the little jerk sauce. That's it. Yeah,
But the jerk sauce is a little spicy then.
the jerk sauce is a little spicy.
Mm-hmm.
I got you.
And then see you. I see all what you were saying.
You tell me I can't throw down, girl.
No, I'm not.
I know what I'm doing.
But I'm seeing all you put in there.
Hey, you see what I put in there? You can taste it?
And I'm looking at it. But you know, that's good though. Because that gives that gives that
Hold on, let me
flavor.
see what George is saying.
That gives that flavor.
Perfect.
Okay. You cut it off though, right?
No, go ahead.
No, I said just cut it off.
No.
It's off, the eye is off, right?
Everything's good.
Oh. What? The oxtails is done too? Hey.
Oxtail's done.
You still
No.
recording?
Bring that.
You still recording?
Yes. I have my loyal Miss Georgia. Big up yourself. I'm gonna let her try the oxtail. Yeah, you know you love oxtail. This one right here is the winner.
Did it cook long enough?
Yeah, it's done. I don't want it to fall off the bone. Like, no, it's gonna fall off the bone on the bone. I don't want it to, when I open it, it's just all bones on top and the meat on the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Bear with me. I tell you, oxtail don't take long to cook.
Somebody
As long as you know what you're doing.
Somebody asked about 35 minutes in the pressure cooker, but you didn't ever tell her what heat or nothing. You just kind of left her out there.
In the pressure cooker, there's a settings for meat. So I put it on that settings and I'll do it for, what was the time I did it for? It was 40 minutes. Then I stirred it. After I stirred it, I put it on for another 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, I let off everything.
Be careful.
Right? After I let off everything, I put the beans in there. Then I put the beans in there for about 10 minutes. Because remember, the meat is cooked. You're just going to get all the flavor and everything from the beans and the meat. Right now, this is done. Listen to that thing bubbling inside. Look at that. Look at that. This is done. This is done. Look, see, the meat's starting to fall off the bone. I didn't want that. I want you to take the meat off the bone yourself.
And we are.
Okay? Why are you scared of the camera?
First of all, I'm not scared of the camera. I don't care for the camera. I don't care for any of that light. So there's nothing wrong with that. Thank you.
You tell me. Hold on now. Yeah, that's how I want it. That's how I want it.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I got you, dog.
Okay, try it and tell me the flavor.
Well, you know the flavor.
No, because if you think it's not right, I can adjust it.
Tony, if I wasn't here, how would you be selling it?
I know you miss Oxtail.
Oh, yeah.
The queen of Oxtail.
There you go.
Love you some
Right.
Oxtail.
No, that's perfect.
It's perfect, right?
The gravy got to be thicker.
Yeah, I need, you know what make the gravy thicker?
No, that's perfect, Tony. I see what you're
Yeah.
saying.
Watch it. Watch it.
Messed it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh. You gonna make that gravy thicker? You know what? That's all you're missing. Something to just grab a hold to it. That's it.
Now you tell me.
See, when you restirred it, you should put a little flour in there. See where your consistency was at. But
No, it could be done as is right now. Take a little flour, picking up the gravy. Or if you don't want to do that,
pour.
What you can do-
Hey, I know what you can do.
what you can do,
Pour some of that juice out into something else and separate it and make the gravy and pour it back in there. That's some cheap way.
I got it.
You know what I'm saying?
What you can do is the potatoes, cook it down with the potatoes and let the potatoes,
Oh, you gonna put some potatoes in
you
there
know,
too?
no. Let the potatoes mash out and thicken up the gravy. Yeah, yeah. That's just a little flour I put in there. Look at it. See how thick it got already? You know, when I say thicken up, I mean, the chef, they call it have a little body to it. You know? So look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Yeah, yeah.
It's
with
always
that-
good to have an apprentice on the side.
With that flour now, what I'm gonna do,
No, you're gonna pass
with
by.
that flour now, I'm just gonna cover it.
Are you gonna pass by that?
I laugh. With the flour now, I'm just gonna cover it and let it do its thing in the steam and everything.
Ooh, wait, where's the rice? Oh, by the time that's good.
The people that don't want rice. My mom went to get some.
You said the people.
The people.
Oh, well,
they're asking for mashed potatoes.
So are we done with this little thing then? Because we don't finish
So
our
check this out. I'm gonna come back when the potatoes get here, and I'm gonna show you how to do my mashed potato. Thank you for watching. I'll be back. I'll be back. Thanks again. Keep watching. Georgia, respect all the time. I'm coming back. I'm gonna do the mashed potatoes. You're gonna see what's going on. I'll be back, Georgia. When she come back with the potatoes, she went to get some potatoes. I'm gonna do the potatoes because everybody's asking for mashed potatoes. That's the steamed cabbage. Okay. I've never heard of oxtail and mashed potatoes. Okay. Oxtail. Hold on, let me stir this up and let you see. Huh? No. Okay. I just put some little flour in there to thicken it up. What I'm gonna do is just cover it and let it just simmer down inside the whole thing. Okay, so give me a minute. Cover it up. Still got the heat and everything in there. Okay, so I'll be back, and I promise you. The mashed potato is coming. Hold on.